Mga anak, bisita ako ninyo dire sa Argao.
Hello mga adas, maayong adlaw. This is Ada Elaine o naata dinhi karon sa Argao kung asa nagsukad ang gitawag nga Guilangs Tableya. Og ako ang kuyog karon, none other than Nanay Guilang, Nanay Miguela. So diri actually nagsukad ang Guilangs Tableya, no? Nya imagine na ingon si nanay nga since 17 years old pa siya nagsugod aning iyang tableya. Imagine she's already 95 years old mga aga. So kamo na lang kanang kwenta din ha kung pila na, no? So mga adas, isa ko magdaghan og storya. Kuyugi mi kay ato ang susihon kung giunsa pag magic ni Nanay Guilang ang iyang tableya nga super ka-iskiso, super kalamian. Tuyugin ni, ha? Sige.
Sa Philippines, siya may pinakadatan diri. 500 liters capacity, 500 kilos per refining. After sa pag-refine na siya hindi almost curing stage, masagdan sa siya para mo-almost binubuli. Over na, depende sa set na temperature na siya. After ang pinaka-crucial part sa mag-ino sa chocolate or sa tableya, kanya sila na part. Ano siya, ang itawag ng temporary process. Sa industrial scale or sa uban yung mga sa uban yung mga factories, nagamit sila ng temperature like thermal guns, to check sa temperature. Kailangan na rin mo i-go down ang temperature and i-go up and i-go down. Pero sila for many years na nagtrabaho, panahon na lang nagbuwan, kamalo na mas accurate pa may sa kanilang mga measuring for wala kayo, tempering na ta, so glossy ang atong tableya, then takpika ba siya, mas gusto na ito, hindi siya ma-frog. Ito na siya, itataas yung temperature, pwede pabalik ito nila ito ang bus. Ito, ipala na nila, masagdan yan, ito lang po. So, ano siya, gano'n. Para gamitan na niya gano'n. Naka-standby na lang siya ba, para maintain niya pa yung viscosity. Then,
I marvel in your eyes, swimming in your sky. I've never been this high or this high. You feel like kryptonite, sparks fly like dynamite, reflecting in your light, beaming bright.
chocolate. Makaingon kag thumbs up. Makaingon sa jud ka more pa please.
Hi guys, my name is Joshua Lanutan. I'm the sales manager of Argao, Guilang, Tablea. I invite you to visit our factory. This factory is open to the public, so you can see the whole process from the start. If you see, our factory is almost made of glass, mga kuwanar, makita nyo din yung process. And to see it to yourself na this is a 100% pure Tablea. Nothing added, nothing extracted in our process. We only use the 100% premium cacao beans. Cacao beans locally and from Davao. Our process is one of our advantage in processing our Tablea is we're using a refiner. This refiner is also being used in some industrial scale chocolate makers. Here, we just use this one just to make the chocolate, our Tablea fine as a chocolate. And our Tablea is among the cheapest Tablea in the market. Base price of our Tablea is only 440 pesos per kilo. And also, we are very proud that we are one of the pioneer company that started zero plastic packaging. If you can see, our packaging are made of papers. This is one way to encourage other industrial scale company to use paper instead of plastic. This is our future product. This will be launched within this year. This is an instant drink Tablea. So it can be served hot or cold. And it's also 100% pure Tablea and sugar only. There's no additives or extender for this product. And also this is, we market this one as a demand of our customer that would like to drink some instant drink that they will not, hindi na nalutoon. And also as you notice that DepEd gave some memorandum of no soft drinks in school. This is also one of the alternatives that we can offer to our student or children in elementary and high school, because there's no chemicals on this process. It's just Tablea and sugar, no additives or preservatives.
So that's pure, they need to add water?
No, it's already ready to drink. It's just sugar, water, and Tablea, and secret process on this. So estimated shelf life of this is it can reach 6 to 8 months time. So if it's refrigerated, and you can visit our factory at 101 San Miguel Street, Canbanua, Argao, Cebu.
So mga adas, from Nanay Guilang, ang once maluluto na ang Tablea, so mo na iparis na ang imuhang suman sa ilang lamian nga tsokolate. So diri. Okay? So mga adas, this is Ada Elaine, and thank you so much of course for watching Ma2ke TV. Kita-kits sunod. Bye-bye!
Answer daw ko lang kita. Sige na. Habang iniinom yan. Sige, sige. Ready, 1, 2. Ayan.
Sa Lanutan, lovingly called ng Guilang by the locals to help support their family. She started out a small business and had around 2 kilos of cacao beans to begin with. Right now, they consider one of the country's best.
Didn't even get to cross.